Hi everyone, I'm back. Thank you so much, Halara, for sending me all of these clothes. I'm really excited to wear these because I've been looking for good basics, especially long sleeves, since the Burr months are coming, so it's gonna be a bit chillier. Hopefully, because I cannot deal with the heat anymore. But yeah, that's why we got some long sleeves here. We have here 5 bottoms. So I have 2 shorts, 2 skirts, and 1 skirt. And I have one pretty dress over here. I actually have 4 of these already, but this is a different version. This is the easy peasy version. Honestly, that this would be my favorite because I've been eyeing this for so long because I already have the green version, the pink version, and also the black version. So I'm excited that I got the white one because this is so easy to use. It's just a good staple piece. I'll save this for last. I'm gonna try on the rest first. And even though this video is sponsored by Halara, I'm gonna be sharing my honest thoughts and reviews on the products that I chose. By the way, before I forget, these pants are also from Halara. Aren't they so cool? They sent me this last time and I really love this. Very cute. No, not cutesy. Stop. And by the way, you can use my code Alice15 or Alicia015 for 15% off of your Halara item. So without further ado, let's try on my pieces from Halara. And by the way, all of the links will be in the description box. So this is the first top. It's so pretty. Look how long it is. I've been loving long tops more than crop tops lately. I don't know why. And this is so pretty. All of the tops from Halara that have this detail are so pretty. I just really like the feel of it. But if you don't want to get them dirty, if you're doing something like drawing or something, then I would just take them off. You could just do this and just fix it up. And then you can just put it back up if you want. And the fit is so nice. It's body hugging and the color. I haven't got a top in this color yet from Halara and just in general, and I really love it. I feel like it makes me look fresh, if that makes sense. And there's a little logo here at the back too, so that's really cute. I'll be wearing this to the office or even for school. This is modest and body hugging but comfortable, and I really love the fabric. It's really stretchy too. And yeah, it's definitely a yes for me, and I really love this. And it even matches well with my pants. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is! I feel like a kid. Like, I feel like I'm going to a ballet class. Like, I feel like this is something that I would have worn as a kid. This is a size XS in pale lilac, and this is thin ice blue in a size XS as well. It's so cute. And it also has built-in shorts, of course. Yes, it has a pocket here. The shape here cinches in my waist. And it has some little details, like under the ruffles. There's this tulle material, which just makes it cute and puffy. I really love this. This is so adorable. And I feel like a little ballerina. So this is the next top. This is so cute. I really love the fabric of this. It's different from the one that I wore. This one is best for casual wear. I would wear this to work or for school. And I really love it. It's also a bit more modest. The neckline is a little low, but it's not revealing. And I really like the buttons here. I just feel like it's really cute. And tops like these are just perfect for on the go and busy days. The fabric is also stretchy. Look at that stretch. With this kind of top, I would wear it with any shorts, jeans, you name it. Anything, really. For Halara Basics, you know you're good to go. Next outfit is very out of my comfort zone, but I really love this. The back is also very nice. It has a little collar here, and you can zip it up all the way. You can also bring it down if you want to wear something under and then just use it as a cover up. So yeah, this definitely encourages me to run errands. even though after that I run straight home. But still, it's already an accomplishment to make me feel productive or to make me feel motivated to do anything productive at all. So, thank you, Halara. How it looks like from the back. And if I lift my jacket here, you can see the crossover detail. It also is form-fitting here. So let's move on to the next outfit. This top is so classy. I would wear this for errands. I would wear this for work. I would wear this for school. I could go in the gym. I just couldn't wait to show you guys because this is actually insane how much I love this. This is also in a size XS. I got all of the tops in a size XS. But these shorts also, I love this. This is the first time that I've sized up in shorts, I think, from Halara in shorts and pants. Because I usually get them all in a size XS, but this one is a size small. And I really like it. I really like it actually. It's high-waisted as you can see. And it's really stretchy. This one is also stretchy. I actually have this pair of shorts in white, but I wanted to get them in black. And I'm so glad that I got a bigger size because it still fits me, but it's more oversized, which is the look that I was going for. This is also the longer version. I had the shorter version before in white, and it also has a zipper here which you can zip up just in case. But I quite like the look of it here. I feel like it's more flattering. You bet I'm gonna be wearing this every time it's out of the wash. Swear. Lilac one, and this blue one is for yoga, but this one is for golf. So that might explain the difference here, but regardless, love them all. The back also has a logo in it, and it has a little pocket here which you can put tennis balls in or keys. This top is so cute. What the heck? Look, I feel like I'm gonna audition like for K-pop. That makes sense. Like these type of style remind me of K-pop inspired outfits. Also the skirt, adorable. I have this in white. That's why I got it in black. And I'm so happy I finally got it in black. It has a little tie here. And it also has shorts under. So yes, I feel like this would qualify for a K-pop kind of inspired outfit. It's definitely more toned down, but the vibe, I feel like it's there. But let me know if you agree with me or not, because I honestly don't know much about K-pop. I could wear this for a casual day. I could wear this for a more dressier occasion. And this top, I really love this top. I don't know how else to describe it, but it is so chic and it is so comfy. The fabric is really soft. It's not just for workout, so this can be used as a casual go-to top, and this is definitely something that I will be reaching for. So if you see this in my stories twice a week, please leave me alone because this makes me feel so good. I love this here. It's actually stretchy still, but it has enough support. There's a crisscross detail here that makes it way cooler and a lot more body hugging. And I'm gonna show it in the close-up here on the other side so you guys can see what I mean. The fit, the quality, the variety, the size range. Halara has it all. I swear I love this brand so much. I love Halara and I will never stop talking about their brand. The skirt is really nice. Once again, I already have a white version of the skirt. It has shorts underneath, so you don't have to worry about flashing. The fabric is stretchy, and it's more of a mid-rise. As you can see, you can wear it low-waisted as well, so you can change with whatever look that you'd like, which is why I really love this. I prefer low-waisted and mid-waisted pieces as opposed to high-rise, but I still like high-rise for more modest outfits and for workouts, definitely high-rise. And for my style in general, I really do prefer low-waisted and mid-waisted pieces. So a really versatile piece like this skirt is everything, and I really love this outfit. If you've made it to this part of the video, I love you. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And take a screenshot. Mention my Instagram, Alice Roma, if you want me to see it. So thank you for sticking along, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So this is the only sleeveless top I got. The draping is everything. The fabric is really comfy. It has enough support here on the neckline and it doesn't dig into your skin. And it's also backless, very pretty. I really love the color also. The draping is very nice. It's very flattering. Still, it's very classy and it's a very versatile piece. And this is what I paired it with. This is the satin skirt. It's a work skirt. I really love this skirt as well. It's high-waisted. I'll put it on the screen here so you can see how it looks like up close. But it really fits well with the draping of this top plus the satin look of the skirt. The quality is really good as opposed to those satin skirt like parang manipis and parang see-through pa nga yung iba kahit black. But this one is not see-through. It has a thick material and it's really nice. So yeah, I really love this. And they have this in more colors. I'm pretty sure they have this in white and black. If you want something more light, the white will be very pretty. But yeah, I'm really happy with this outfit. I promise Halara is a one-stop shop. Casual outfits, leisure outfits, gym outfits, literally anything, you can get it all at Halara. Because even this dressy top, this dressy but still comfortable and modest for school and work, Halara literally has everything, and I'm so happy to get all of these pieces added to my collection because I'm going to be able to wear them so many times, which is what I am aiming for. So let's move on to the last dress. Finally, we have this beautiful white dress from Halara. Look how beautiful the shape is. It's not too form-fitting. You have some room for movement. You can use it for walks, for running errands. You can throw a cover-up. You can throw a polo. You can throw a blazer over. Literally, the possibilities are endless. Even a sweater or a t-shirt. And just have this as your skirt. It's really cute and it has built-in shorts with pockets on both sides. So you have two pockets here, as you can see. And I just really love this. I'm so glad that I got this dress in a white color because every time that I need to just travel and go, I don't want to have to think of wearing a whole outfit. Dresses are way easier, especially Halara dresses, because I already have built-in shorts and I also have padding here. So I'm supported, I'm comfortable, and I don't have to worry about picking out an outfit. So it's very versatile and I really love it. It's very stretchy as well, as you can see. Even the inner material, it's very well thought of, and the quality of the dress is also very nice. And this is the easy peasy version of the dress. So as you can see here at the back, it has a gap here which you can just pull down when you need to use the bathroom. So it has a crisscross detail in the back, which is very pretty. The length is also just right, so it's not too long. It's also not too short. So once again, thank you so much, Halara, for sponsoring today's video. All of the opinions are my honest thoughts and reviews on the products, and I really am excited to wear all of these out and to style them as many times that I would like to because the possibilities are endless. We're ending the video with my favorite dress. This would be my second favorite, the golf top, because this is perfect for every day. And for bottoms, this would have to be my favorite because I have this in white and I'm so happy to finally have this in black. But of course, those are just my top threes, but honestly, this haul was elite, truly. All of the pieces I'm going to be able to use so much for school, for work. I'm just so happy and so grateful to be working with Halara. Thank you so much again, Halara. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. The links of the products will be in the description box down below. You can use my code Alicia015 or Alice15 for 15% off on all full price items. If you like today's video, do leave a thumbs up. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos and try on hauls in the future. If you guys have any video suggestions, please do comment them down below so I can make a video for that. Comment down below if you guys want to see a hair routine video first or if you guys want to see a style video first. Excited to hear from you guys. These are all of my social media accounts if you guys want to check it out. Once again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!